Are you looking for a home with more space? I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and my latest listing, 15 Page Lane in Epping, New Hampshire, may be just the home you've been dreaming for. Welcome to my favorite room in the house, this oversized cathedral ceiling living room. And while we're here, I wanted to point out the detached 2-bay heated garage with a workspace and an extra loft for storage. With over 3,000 square feet of living space, this home is located 1 mile off Route 101 on a 1.3 acre lot on a quiet cul-de-sac. This third floor would make an incredible 4th bedroom, bonus room, teen suite, game room. Possibilities are endless. If you want to learn more details, you can visit our website at 15pagelane.com. Again, I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and thanks for watching.